blame the woman, then you go see go blame those men.
Wait, now that they keep their wife.
You dey get wetin go make you go dey talk to your ex girlfriend, they call you say face your wife for ass. You not be man. Because
If
you
the man
know,
not pick up, me I correct you. Wait, another thing where I want correct. If the men not they pick up, go they call them more than 100 times. So you don't know this girl. I am telling you.
okay, fine. Why those men? Okay, if you say this man good, this woman good at first, una for marry am. But no, una leave her because of the character. Then una
Thank
wife
you.
una marry for house now.
Even
Una dey use the same
don't say the men not be her ex.
treat una wife back for house. It don't make sense now.
Okay, me I remember on something. Wait, me I tell on something. You know the last quarter where he Nora and a quarter, I come outside for her. The first day we enter here Nora house, he called the tell that one say husband they do everything for her. That one now called they can't go, they have issue with the husband, say husband not the helper. Make una calculate.
For this rope,
But this matter, they talk out. Those men see get force for inside though. Because those men open ear. Those men sit down, open ear. Make this woman they talk for their ear. Because if they're responsible, they don't go open ear.
They might be the witchcraft where join now.
Why? This old breaker.
How is it?
Eh?
Okay, even
You get logic.
No, mama, when they carry S, put for head. They carry S, their S, girlfriend put for head. Tell the their wife for, and I go the punish them.
Why go get the number? Why be say okay? Why be say if the man with the wife they call? Why be say okay? The man not see anybody want call again.
Okay, thank you, my sister.
It's not
Don't
done.
let her advise you. You not let this girl advise you. Oh God.
See, this girl not rich to call those men their advice for their marriage. She not rich.
Wetin me not dey against her for? Wetin me not dey like me she not dey top say. Me she not dey insult single mother again.
Oh, why feel you
that one that be my issue. Me she not dey feel say single mother has less. Single mothers they are not less. Wetin single mother they pass through? She said she not go pass through. She not single mother, but she no want accept to be a single mother.
She be single mother now. Be old man and say she marry. Person be say
The man wey
not for 3 months. Say that the single mother she be. For guys say she did
the one way don't frustrate. The one way not get too flat for Nigeria.
She not dey insult single mothers.
Do you know that this girl?
It isn't all women. Will just say okay, they want to be a single mother too.
Come here, I tell you. You know they ask her why not marry Ishama. Una never asked that question, and she said it. Oh God. Maybe they drop her.
Which tribe she even marry herself?
Nabini or you Ronigbe.
Oh, Jesus no gay.
Even before that marriage, now something happen now. We make the man can go say he want go pay the money. Now something happen.
I hope the man never dey sick. Oh.
No, all this guy one way mama confess say now. You never hear say mama for cover. You know the hear what I tell you. Mama confess her. Then they wash
even the one where you said they shake the papa grave said it even shocked me because they all they shake grave like that. Something.
They put say now they around. When he post my papa house, now I can still go trace the papa grave. He post my papa grave and my papa house. Now I go trace you too. When I say I call enter me, I never see that kind of thing before. They go train person papa. They not bury papa. They just bury him for forest. They can't use chain and nail.
You're the street.
But more leave papa and mama. I beg more your face.
Women know they too they come and
I beg na she.
And if you see the way the mess of men waiting they talk for the people they suppress all this one they don't get wife for us.
They're not they work. They're not they work. No. They're not they work. Wait, Mr.
Now my husband now want to join person for teacher.
As my husband did so. Wait, my husband we don't work, don't tire. He go live video early the morning around 7 o'clock. Go day live video till around 10. If na me be that man. See, if na me be that, if na me. Oh, I beg more not talk. More not talk, I beg. Money tonight. You'll see that the boys dead.
Not get time for children. Ask him. He get time for children. Tell him help you 5 children. Whether you're sick or whether.
Now, husband, go live.
No, go and sit down. No,
go live for money. Go they talk. That phone will break up. More clap for the responsible men when they work. You go live video, go they talk. Man, what thing you want talk? And your husband, Mona see your husband not they go live. Your husband not they go live, go talk. Bring your husband, come we go talk. Bring your husband come.
And all those women where they say they this idiot why not use broom to pursue? Why not pursue with broom?
He get one girl wey go talk him matter there. You know wetin this woman talk? He say make your husband dey beat am. He say na him make see all those useless boys wey dey say Mona see man wey get sense wait. He go say your husband don go work o. He go say your husband don go work. Go see that the boys wey dey say that the live video they not dey work. Imagine husband you just say boys go your fool your wife page for morning till night. Make go your food there. Normal responsibility.
Women no go dey o.
Women no go dey o. Women no go dey. Guess what? Do you gather sit down? You dey give her to this. Do you gather sit down? Do you sit down for morning till night? They talk. As woman they stand up, they cook. Do they look yansh? If you stand up, do they look yansh? You woman not they go work or you go say they take care of pikin. Okay.
You never hear say your husband say, wait a minute, your husband say, even though his wife get right to talk to yes, you know me. You never hear that one. You
talk about cutting an old man. That's why I told you. Now make I tell you, say that cutting an old man. May I tell you why? You see those kind men, they're already old. They are advanced already. You they get me? Real responsible man, move, take it or you leave it. Because imagine now 53 years old, wife to be imagine where ya like wife to be imagine where now muti go last card ourselves. Man, you hear me? Reasonable, this wife to be, Oreo penny, this wife to be. Your husband don't go work. He go your wake up early in the morning. Go say my husband is at work. He go say my husband is at work. I am here. He don't go work. They go make money. Why you go see people where go food the woman platform?
Go be men.
Because the men.
Just talk.
I go they ask and I wish women food those men.
Some of other men now we don't marry now. They never stay with this person for house. They never know whether their wife say be better passer 100%. They never know.
Okay, that mean they talk for inside.
100%.
You get the right come excuse face for your woman for us because you don't sit down.
This one wey no dey have that to call person. Character no dey. This one. I beg.
My sister, because this woman come for me, I did the Osa diploma platform.
You get character.
My sister, are you going to talk say I never marry, but see my relationship, I don't see the relationship. I don't see the relationship for 5 years old. You could say with this your maybe you get bad character and I make this man not marry you.
Can you imagine?
If you get good character, why go marry married man? Why go marry married man?
I could
where you did. Why one of them not accept your baby when you go to married man? When you run
I don't know my husband for 10 years old. I don't know my husband for 10 years before you want to talk. I say,
as you say rich for as you say rich for Romy. This girl na sale for Romy. He dey sale to both her daughter no. He come abroad 17 years. The next thing na to go meet married man. Because
say snatch person your husband though.
The wife come now because I don't feel rich. If I join the live stream, you hear story now. No worry. The woman now they go come my live stream go they talk him. He said me the man not go greet his children for 13 years now. He said the man not they call his children. Now she tell the man. This
the man can't use less pass. That woman how can they control you?
The man use the man. He go carry the man sit down. They saga his old children. The man I go they saga his old children. Now this one now then they come for. Oh God, I beg. What the evidence say now?
My sister, what Germany cannot do does not exist. You know, yes, say married men now they do force. Married women they do 4 some and 5 some. We can't say now. Now the matter they set to now what do they set to sis now? Say Germany people, all of the lesbian yawaveki, we don't know whether they do
this one now, the life where you pray for, not be they receive. Now it be a problem. The life where you wish to. He just made mistake. Like he wish to deal with, handsome young man. They go just not being easy. You get now he made body not the. You go be like say wetin dey body you want they put.
That person send a message. Not be message when you say yourself you see.
That person when post that day not be the man daughter. Who tell you? Not be the man daughter. Now you know not be the man daughter. They use and find the S5 man too. The man children if you see on the top pass me. Next time the senior twins. Next time they complete 18 years. What are you? If you see the children, you see their papa.
Hell,
the one where they show now, free and not be the man born now. Who has Zaga? See your shame and disgrace.
Oh God, oh now wow, wetin una dey
I
see?
don't know if na my network dey try be one hard person.
Ah,
I just come, leave people husband alone, leave people marriage alone. Face your own, nobody dey collect your
the girl say na even since
Now you
that
carry
now
my way,
your husband dey quarrel because of this woman. Now oh God.
No be last week, oh. They don't separate self.
And say yeah, the man they don't separate because of this woman.
And this, when they get quarrel, now they talk to the man till 12 o'clock. This a shower, they talk to married man till 12 o'clock for night.
Oh, now marry.
This one.
God bless the CEO. Marriage counselor don't carry person husband.
Now, yeah, piano they let her rest. Shame and disgrace. No worry, they go
This
one
one
after
bless the
the other.
CEO assistance.
Mommy Joyous, good evening. Goya, I be wan correct you for that grave issue. You see Mommy Joyous here. This woman went to send somebody to Mommy Joyous village to video Mommy Joyous.
Video my papa's. They post her for Facebook.
They posted on Facebook. They posted Mommy Joyous father's grave on Facebook.
Oh God, the one that be like this now. Now so this man
Not be only that one. Wait now, me on the
about her father's grave. No talk. Because this woman is evil. They posted Mommy Joyous mother's house. They went to her shop to video.
You go video mama for where for the sell for market. You go give bloggers. This winch.
Mommy Joyous, man, calm down. I just want to inform her because she knows say
now we don't talk.
Yo, mommy Tiri, what makes you na? Wait so.
The issue where we get, I tell her say I don't do friendship again. I said she wants to scatter my home. I don't want friendship again. Now since that day, don't let me rest. That is just it, nothing. Now since that day, now you don't let me rest. Now you make me feel
because you not give her a chance to test freak. It depends.
If you watch her now, my husband family know by share and give bloggers, made that they call them. He go share my husband people picture, give blogger, made that they post them. Wait till day after, so don't be my marriage.
Nah, good evening.
He share my papa no my. It be like saying I never want to go deeper.
If I not talk for this matter, wait again. You see this word so you no need to be she and your husband no need to be ex before you destroy your home. As you see this one now when she be what the Bible say be witchcraft, not be person will get hardened by be witchcraft. You see this woman, Mommy Joyous way they don't develop thick skin. If not, you see this husband snatcher, it be done ready to bring her down. They share, imagine you go Percy Papa house, give her destroy everything, all the relationship. If not be God stand for this woman marriage.
Between me and my husband people. No, na they hear what he don't do for my marriage.
Waiting, see, he go come with you, go say, your father-in-law no good though.
You say my father-in-law now which?
Yeah, he say, you just say your father-in-law na keep picking. You just say your father-in-law do this one. When Mommy Joyous no know, that one no go talk. When Mommy Joyous got to say no one do again, no one do friendship again. He carry that same matter where she talk. He go to talk say na Mommy Joyous talk.
I don't make them all the way.
You dey hear so? He can't go the talk say na Mommy Joyous na they talk am. They destroy family.
Sheila, you all the way. I've been on my own.
You dey hear me?
Would they hear you?
If they destroy family, they go. See, I end there, it don't come. It don't come. All those evil kakus where she they do for her platform, Benin people don't swear for her. Now they worry and so. When they talk about that okuku, now say carry phone. That he got they call sugar daddy will be native daughter. Daddy, okuku na Benin people enter platform, they start to swear for this wish with they yes so. Go that cut the saw where they your mama leg, you don't fit treat them. Do what I say, don't do what
There's
I do.
no place for the wicked.
If they pay me say mama twins no dey here. Me mama twins waiting yes. Brother and that your way husband. You see that your husband that your husband. I'm not sure say he know he root. I'm not sure say na Benin person.
I know be Benin person, my sister. You don't talk her.
That one where they don't say like
na Benin person.
They don't use this and which
I get video.
Mama
I get video where go down that your way husband sit down. The saga the ex-wife and the ex-wife children. Birthday wey not do for the children. The woman, the ex-wife do one for the children. You know what
tomorrow.
Rhoda called they say, person wey talk say they go church. Person wey say they go church. If they do
abeg, they say BBL. See, Mona help me tell BBL say if case he need photo of me. Mona help me give her this one.
Come on for here, wait.
Put it for big screen, madam. I beg. Put her, tell BB. Put it for big screen, I beg. When I give her this one. Because let's not let Lucky Nas again. Not this, mommy. Now Lucky Nas again, my new latest. I beg, put it for big screen, I beg, for 1 second.
Not children. I beg. Children again for years.
I never see them for 13 years.
Party will not do. I say for that this she can say wetin go make her want to see children. Wetin go make her want to see children. Pastor, they do Dorime for birthday. That day when she do birthday, na night gown she wear go children.
You not fit buy limousine when the woman use for cloth
for a children.
That bottle will not get covered. Neither my other inside. You don't finish.
That one no know itself. Now that one now
if mama be papa for grade
that one I say
he let work for papa. His mama had he let work.
Oh, no.
His mama can't as much now.
See, you see this
mama can't now.
Let me change your papa.
You see what this woman they do? You know what I feel like? I've been no one before come up. You know why I come up? Anytime this woman they live video, the next thing when they go one year they talk. Now mothers.
Make I tell you Wetin, my sister.
You know they talk anything else so. Single mother. If you be married woman, you talk anyhow. You go tell me your husband leave you.
Mommy Joyous, make I tell you.
Make I tell you. For you.
Mommy Joyous.
If they call police for your husband.
You get wetin Mommy Joyous tell your husband. Mommy Joyous no say that they forbid for where it come from. He can't tell your husband say no they do again.
My enemy, not the
your enemy, my sister. Now this person. Rhoda come here.
Because say me go tell them I go kick goat.
Yeah, say me kick goat. Say me not chop your wife food though. Me not chop your wife food though. He chop your wife food now. So this one. Now she call the
cook for some. Tell the thought of the men.
He call the cook. He call the go give Daddy Joyous. But me Joyous come the tank and think he say na good thing they do.
No.
Now he carry mouth go they tell people say Mommy Joyous commit abomination. Now me
can. He said the enemy commit abomination.
Now she. Now your enemy now the Rhoda so now commit abomination.
Now your mama be a shower. You know not say that mama na shower. Who be your mama? Now Rhoda.
Just forget this one. Now one of her sister be this one. Forget her now sister.
No worry. Tomorrow. No worry. Tomorrow. Now women matter. They want put for live video. Women matter. Mona your wait. You go your pull woman. You know they talk about man no. You go your pull women. Go your talk. I say
what one time now, Mommy Joyous, I tell you now, my husband call say you get one woman. Oh, if you see the way they talk about me, as he show me the picture, I laugh. That's it. Husband snatcher. I download everything for my husband. And my husband say, now the one
they go they believe women where their life not be.
Mommy Joyous, I beg I go need that video. I go need that. Tell go tell don't
Saga, that one na small one, my sister.
Open platform now, not Iye.
Yeah, and the husband like the Saga birthday. Had the woman, yes, wife, they carry
the husband not go see the children.
He said, where go carry limousine for the children? The man one naira not there inside the party. He said that's the children go they do Dorime, pastor children, pastor. Do you know this woman?
You say that people married, you don't believe. All of them don't they come out for you?
Yeah, the husband, ex-wife. He go cut down one husband wey marry you.
He got the new husband of the woman. No. You don't see my way. Another one.
Now Goya welcome beat. Now because of Goya I climb here. I welcome beat Goya. Goya.
Wetin happen? You not change my topic.
Goya, don't change my topic. Only Joyous, I beg, give me 1 minute. I see what Goya video. Man, no, is it like my husband teach and Saga? This money, what give my husband money? What?
Now your husband teach me Saga. My sister.
You want to pay us so what?
Every day for Facebook.
I want change my topic. I
Let's
not go.
see, you know nothing your husband don't do for
I'll
this
still
talk.
come down, mommy Joy. Mommy Joy, I'll still come down. No, say, I'll still
Now
come
your
down.
husband teach me saga.
Because of this big head, because of an eye clear. You say my husband teach you saga. You never go teach this man one day.
Now your husband teach me saga, oh. Now your husband.
Now your husband
now.
teach me, oh.
Now your husband, now you get with your husband.
How much you don't give my husband? How much you don't share? You
We go see
I
am.
want before come
We
on
know they
marriage
like
that
to see
period
married
now. I want
men.
before come on marriage. I not fit come meet up because of work. I want before come make us surprise you now. Now your husband teach me saga, oh.
No,
I
no,
don't
yeah.
know for
my
Facebook.
money, both mommy Joy and all of una many. We
You
don't
don't
know.
believe me.
Una many.
Leave me first. I never get.
Una many.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
please, we
If
not
I
the new
catch you,
married
now your head,
men,
I'll
oh.
fair head. I go fair
You
head.
don't marry
If I
you.
catch
Oh,
you.
thank God say the new marry you recently. At least the other they go 1 year. You still get the church. Because please, you never marry my husband, my
I know
husband.
where. I sorry for who they follow you. They do saga. You know where at all.
Mama, good
Thank God
evening.
say you don't marry. Thank God. Because I
Mama
know
Queen,
the
Mami.
say,
When we not change topic.
I
I
don't change topic.
Good evening,
Mama.
Mama. You are
Good
doing well.
evening.
Mama, you
No,
not
not
put
change
life
this
go.
topic. Oh.
You never change. You never change.
my husband, my husband. Thank
You
God say
not
you don't marry.
put life go.
Wait, who use fake account? Say I don't know what they talk about. Are you the mommy? Are they bring proof? They
I
claim
say
say
my
I feel
Mama,
like
sister,
no
leave
way
her, my
listen to
sister.
fake accounts,
Mama,
my
good
lady.
evening.
Good evening,
my
I
love,
greet
good
the ass,
evening.
so.
Good evening, my love.
Greet you, Pastor.
Una good evening.
We come talk about heartbreaker, so people don't they call me now.
I dey listen to una since. In case this bad dead wey you put for screen so, in case she come saga you, you go follow her up. Because the reason why I put interest for this thing, this woman, she called herself a married woman. She put Igbo smoker, all the abandoned baby father wey dey for Europe. She dey put am for her platform. A married, responsible woman. Your moderator supposed to be married men and a responsible
Exactly,
man.
responsible woman, exactly.
Because some people go dey bully single mother, and we are even 1 million better and responsible mother than them.
Thank you. God bless you, my sister. Fire me. Fuck it.
If somebody, me na person wey be say, if you want to investigate me, bring my picture come out, people go tell you say this woman na freedom fighter. Me, I not dey stand for violence. I not dey support woman wey dey commit adultery. I come from a responsible family. I not dey support woman wey be say not dey respect her husband. But they say give respect to whom respect who respect is due.
We understand. Yeah, you can understand.
You understand? This life, me not dey support make man dey command respect from woman. All those men, Bobby Love and the gang, make una saga this woman so that all those men go find Shoroti they do. If not, I go take permission for wetin I dey do wey make me not dey come live for some time. I go take permission, I go come handle things on my own because me sef don tire for wetin I dey see for this woman platform. Now God go bless una as una take come out to voice out. Because enough is enough. This best mom, now they make those men not they go work or be they responsible.
If they open kpekus for men for
our own papi where he put for her where they us together. He grampy husband they go work. Why he go come put lazy youth for him platform? Men where refuse to take care of their responsibility. They take care of their children. They not stand as a husband. And at the end, you they preach wetin you know they practice.
No, they do.
That is very, very wrong.
You said it up.
This one is not saga. Una know me, I know they do saga. But anybody, that woman wait best more because I did a video concerning that. Assume me, I'm not there for all this category, but assume, say maybe I find myself, when I'm fair born for Europe. The woman, you will want saga me. I swear with my life. I go bloody that woman. We go
Mama, now they tell your husband say 13 years now. First wife we born for that
for
man.
Me, maybe
he
that
never
woman not there for social media or that woman
€1
woman
they buy something for those children. But here this idiot go sit down for platform. They go they saga the woman.
Can you imagine?
He say, you know what make us they saga the woman?
Yeah, the man they saga the woman.
Yeah, because she see the woman for mommy
if
join
I
your
were
show.
you go use 3 weeks till they treat this topic. Except say you get engaged.
Mama, na every day now. We don't feel they talk about
If I see you say you get like this, I go call your life stream. Because all those men need to go and
wetin take distract their home.
All those men, all those smoker wey they put for platform, they Bobby Love and Co. That guy, that Bobby Love. I remember that's how they come platform. We they talk about relationship and matchmaking. He go carry bandit come. I pursue one with their you understand? If we see truth, may we they stand for truth. A responsible, you will call yourself a married woman. You should represent where. If not, small children go come, they conk knock for her head.
Exactly.
That woman is not. She's not married.
She never reached 30 years old.
That woman, this lady, this best mom, she never married. She's just somebody who be say she no expect say in with ma go fit do living together. So now make the thing they enter her brain. As a woman, you don't get right. A woman when you first start to the bone for your husband, you don't know where they for start. You don't know what to be the agreement. Not even one picking, not 2, 3. You go the I swear with my life. If I did not no say you don't by yourself, don't quit social media. If not, you go bloody. If na eye for eye, if na mat to mat, if na anywhere, we have to call this.
Mama, this girl never reached 30 years old. This one
I mean not get interest for age. Wetin concern me, women no understand because this matter na something we be say. If you really know you are a married woman, let's stand for the truth.
The woman where they bully now, if the woman dress, he go put fake account.
He can't go put fake account. He go they put all of us pictures.
He go they put our pictures for the fake account. He go do say not they talk to us. The fake account, the woman, the ex-wife of the man, the husband, and the new husband of the woman. He go they pack the picture they put for the fake account.
You see,
he carried by God they call this the ex-wife. So
they call the woman new husband.
Go they call her.
Ashawo, he said once he scatter the new marriage where the woman still go now because they not be sure like you. Person like you. I go tell you say when your
she
mama
do video.
He
say she wants scatter that woman marriage. I beg women, may understand for the truth. If you really know, irrespective you are a single mother or you be me, I be single mother. Confirm. But the issue here is not a single mother. As far you are a woman, you are not a failure. You be man, you are not a failure. If you still be responsible man, you see all those men. Their mates go they go work. A responsible man no go there for platform for money.
Not before children are 5.
Many women don't accept when a single mother full Europe.
5.
The reason why single mother full Europe now because
man go work with him mask the way be like yash.
And they put men for in platform where they know they go work. Because the reason why single mother full Europe now because say those men now those kind of example of men where they for that best mom platform.
Single mother. They see who they put sugar for him out where go spit and come out.
Okay, my lady, if you come born for man and you know one work, you know one work, you're going to sit down for TikTok. If you don't smoke, you go to bully women.
Go work.
The husband, which day your husband
you go let that kind of man make it.
Go ask and say which day your husband start to work. If the husband they work before.
The man not the work before. That time when that best not be for Facebook, make your husband go the work. Now my president they start to the operation social media. The husband not the work that time. Now that best not they feed them.
The man the of Jamie. If you
the man not they work now, she they feed them now. She because the man your new start maybe 2 hours or 3 hours work now in area and anybody try and you go tag my picture.
If they talk about Kindergate, say Kindergate na men supposed to now because of say na your husband na dey open Kindergate.
Na that mean not a very useless woman.
You wake God blessed with a good husband. Go your home where respect the man, but it's not the right as a woman because say God bless you, your husband there with you. Does not mean say somebody where you can't go get children for irresponsible man. Say that person
a single mother ain't be inside that house.
Person like this best mom now. I see that they put that man for a tete. The day when that man go beat down your house, you know go fit talk.
The man they be
no fit talk.
Mama. no
If they
let us
call
come dey
police
talk
for the man,
everything
no.
now.
If they call police for the man, I say when
Oh
the
my
CCTV
now.
All those jobless men where they put for a platform, they don't know say this one
Na
they call
be
police
do
for your
what I
husband.
say,
They
Yes,
don't
not
there
know.
you
do
are
what I
only
do.
Morocco. They not they go,
Mama,
but don't
wetin
they
make
go
dem go pay
anywhere.
money for
They
im
not get
head?
certificate. They not they
Wait,
go
tell
school.
now waiting make I go they go
Wetin
pay
make
money
dem
for
go?
your head.
Wetin
Waiting
make
do
dem
for
go
a
pay
city.
money for head?
Why go
Na
remove belle
say
for
the
married man?
husband cash am, say e dey send ikpekus
Cannot
to
see the
one
money.
married man. He come get belle for the man. He come
I
go
they
do
come here wear for
abortion.
you.
As he do abortion finish na the man come say, wetin make you dey do all this thing? He say, hey, you don pay money for my head. Ask
Jesus
me.
Thank you.
Christ.
They don't do court marriage before this
Finish,
thing.
oh. They do introduction. Oh. Even when
Na
he go
make the
Nigeria
man,
after 2 children, sorry, I agree on that. He go sleep
if
with
he
the yes, so 2 of the yes, he
anytime
went
I
to
go
tell those
Nigeria,
people
na
they
yes
for
he dey
room.
go sleep with.
Una just this one. I never see him. Now you come the if to say these 2 people
The
don't come
saga
in.
woman where you don't fair born for your husband. If some people just get some more
You know your
opportunity,
get
my
shame.
husband, my husband, my
What
husband.
my wish for?
Somebody dragging him with you. A woman where you get self-confident, you don't need to come they do advert every morning, put it go smoker and jobless men for them. My
Mama, you
husband
not talk
and
when I'm
woman,
my oga.
woman not
My
the fit
oga.
climb that platform. Oh, except say na woman where be say anything where they talk, the
Patricia
woman go
get
just
very nice tradition. No be Shama married, and I been in my marriage. If na Isha for
Not be
don't
Benin,
hold
that one
why
back of
make I
Benin
no
for come.
marriage?
I
Now,
bet
no
that
be
man
if na
na the
Isha
one where they use stay wash
man.
where
Not
they
be
use stay
not be
wash
Benin.
your
Yes,
hand.
see, no dey
Oh,
If I
talk
be
say
that
that
na
now,
man na
I
that's
no
a
go
take
fit
na
wash
try
your
benin
hand.
am
man.
for where for marry. I no
Im
go fit
mama
try
make
am.
dem go
Even
ask
my
im
own
mama
family, woman
question
no
wey im
fit
mama
try
for
am.
carry belle
I
take born that man.
Abemuna no vessel.
When
See,
you dey talk say if you are not married, you can't be her friend. Is she properly married? Somebody
no,
that is
No, no
properly
be.
married, she's not
They
showing good
carry am go
example.
house.
no. See, you
You
know, see,
properly married at the end
you
of
know,
it, you
this
go
woman
carry
they do.
irresponsible
Look
men put
here.
for
You know wetin?
platform.
He call dey laugh him ex-wife and mommy joy say na phone call marriage dey do.
Marriage,
Him own
that's
dey
my
carry
own.
am go house go do marriage. Him
He
and the
not
husband.
consign, he
66
not
years.
consign am. That one make it not be business. Waiting carry me come here and waiting most of us dey here. The men where they put for a platform don't signify say she's not a responsible woman.
Thank you.
She is not a married woman. Now
Exactly.
una
And
go
they
dey
know,
tag.
they know. Those men
You go
know.
put right up.
60
You tag
euros,
and join.
60
She is
euros for
not a
the
married woman.
we
Those
dey
men
hear
still
you.
know, they know.
The men know this guy so imagine if as I just dey talk to Nana, imagine say na men just dey out there here 12 o'clock. My husband come use that come talk to me honey when you want finish.
Oh,
You dey
I
hear
see,
so?
see, mommy
Mama, you
joyous,
they put your business line for screen in case
mommy
person want
joyous.
order.
See, una see
In
what
case person
they.
want buy her.
You see, mommy, you see
How
this
they
woman,
show them?
see, even though
No,
you
your
talk,
screen. You put your phone number for screen. In
I
case
don't know that
person
now
want
they
buy
hear
her.
me. Oh, see, the woman,
Okay, we
Yeah,
dey
go
hear.
yeah, we dey hear you.
you see that woman,
Mommy, see I put
see,
my number.
you know it make me start to dey fear that woman, When before I go dey listen to her, If she not talk about single mothers or married woman, if you not be married woman, oh, this, that, so all these women when go they talk to their ex-boyfriend, I go they like, you see some men go they clap out for her. I go they like, wait till they stop. You they get what they try to talk. When I call they see the men when they put for a this thing page, I go dey ask this woman not get what she dey do. Money till night, you go your poor boys. Real men. I see they talk this thing,
And those men go stay for a platform to 1 o'clock for night. 1 o'clock for
1
night.
o'clock for midnight, so
Imagine
From 7
married
o'clock to
woman.
1 o'clock.
married woman, no. As me your be so your
I no
come
fit
life
see
now.
the number.
Get
My
my
number
husband
dey.
say, me go your fool
No
my
worry,
boss.
mama. No worry. If you do
You
life
go
today,
your
you
pack
put
all the boys. What you call the, you know it make me call the shock and surprise. They hear me. You go your can go say single mother. I can't go share the people when they are war. When you put for moderator, that be that EG Bobby, that boy na a single father. You dey get me? And at that boy, now they always they curse all single mothers for this platform. Anybody wey know us go know say wetin I dey talk na truth.
Awole Morocco.
Thank you, mommy. You still know the man.
Where they don't see woman we carry go bench or you go here. No, nobody carry him.
Thank you very much. When you really know the boy. I call they see say
Don't
this.
be and let them say, I know them. Then they come my platform that time when they do, we they talk about relationship and matchmaking.
Mommy, wait now.
Because of me, I know they accommodate
Mommy,
me.
not this now. Mommy, not this. Not this. I not put cut words for your mat. When I see the way this boy they cost.
One of they measure their name. Nobody they fear them.
Maybe let's say you really you not they hear me. When I see this boy,
you measure a name. Now me when they talk, my name a queen. You measure my name, Queen Love.
When I see where Bobby they cost single mothers, he go your call pack more single mothers. Wow, I could they like wait so this not be this same boy when be single father of 3 baby mama. You they get me? Now be waiting for they like because me and that Bobby I know and don't get down very well. You they get me? So when they call they like he go still bring another some boys. I don't forget all those one name. You they hear me? I could they like what they sup? You go here they call single mother, call single mother, call single mother, call single mother, call single mother. This woman go here made that they cost women no. Our own budget was make they just call live video made that they cost women. Now let she they not the fee now come to say she don't ever correct those men where they call a platform where be say they be single father of 3 baby father. Because if you look at now, like Bobby now 3 women I born for her.
Yeah.
3 women I born for her. One
now 3 women born for her. Yeah, confirm.
Imagine that. Why enough of them?
That you see
Why
that Bobby?
that
Wait
man?
now, I thought they like now that got they know say this woman a really bad woman. This mommy 3. So I could say this woman is a really bad woman. You go bring men when be single fathers, make they call they single mothers. You dey hear me? If you go bring them, they call they single mothers. You know, if she dey balance things now, not go they follow her argue. Also okay, she dey balance things in an equal direction. For where now when the day I want before really go up, say, Madam, come on, this Bobby, you never correct, you never you can't go put Bobby for moderator. You dey get me?
Now there they come to Bogoya now. Now there me they come to now.
If you finish,
I get something to say.
She can go put Bobby for moderator. So because why? They don't say that one they cost. She they cost single mothers. Made that one too join her they cost single mothers. And I believe say that because of that a first wife. You dey hear me? Now because of that first wife, maybe now make her.
When they talk about single mother, thank you.
Yes, you dey hear me? I could they like Wetin women do this woman? And she say she be mother. And she say she be wife. Now she go they laugh. Now she go they laugh people husband though. He go say if your husband do anyhow, this I can't.
Yes, I know they respect her too. The two know they respect.
Guess what? I can't stop to they watch the woman. I can't stop her. Because before me, I say this woman are really bad and biased woman. She go they call, she go, if you don't see, he get one getaway. I don't know that asked me for a platform. That was their first time when I don't climb a platform for my life. Now one woman, one lady when I know, guess what? That girl not be because of me. This woman, they don't they cost this girl. Mommy Joy also, no insult they not put for that Mommy Joyous body. You for this girl when be say I know. I can't climb up. I can't to say Madam, you don't really know this girl. Go yeah, you sure? You know, I see now the way she take the talk, now make your husband they beat her. Your husband not beat her away. So you now your own husband they beat you, madam. Your own husband they beat you. Your husband for they beat you now you all look this woman. Now so we take talk. Now wait, I come.
Imagine.
Mommy Joy.
Yes,
Mommy Joy.
God.
Okay. Thank you. Goya say you dey mute for now. Make I quickly talk. One thing you remember wetin I tell you, Mama, yesterday.
Yeah.
I tell you, say, when you dey do program or topic and you want to be successful, you are doing business, not do something, say, because of, say, me, Queen, where they your platform, because, say, I be your friend, and you get program, you put program for ground, you put topic.
Yeah.
Don't allow anybody to distract you.
Exactly.
Don't use sentiment for your platform. Hence, you know, say you are representing where. If you are a married woman, you should represent and stand as a married woman.
Exactly.
You understand? So please, guys, I go mention it because I not gonna saga anybody, but I want to split out some facts. When I come TikTok, that was middle of last 2 years. When I come TikTok, I dey do my thing. I dey do with the talk relationship, matchmaking, and everything. You understand? That one can't be that one. Then Bobby and let them say they can't carry meeting come my place because view the day. And one thing I get for biophobia, say because of say view the day my platform with the talk our thing everything. That time you start to they do live all those things they go come. The next thing they want to they control my platform.
No,
you understand? they can't they give me gift. They don't know say me again I take day. They don't go ask question. Though you see platform. You know, say I tell you yesterday before I tell platform. Now two things now they observe. I go observe the topic and I observe the tribe where they welcome. Me, I not get problem whether you be Cotonou. Now the topic and if the people the platform go welcome the state when I represent. So that one can't go aside. Then they one come they toxic my platform. Now say, are you guys mad or something? We are una for come. Now I take pursue them. When I come pursue them, now therefore first get first fight for Bobby. Then later, if you see me for platform, those you want they bully me, I can't stop to they visit so many platforms because I know they go where they toxic. I there for where it will there for this truth. You understand? Single mother not be cause many people depression or frustration. People that are single mother, allow them be. But you see the one way it come out yesterday. You see the way I take mat guard as I take stand for the matter. You understand? If single mother fuck up, una go matter picture, una go operate in belle. That one can't be that one. If na see married woman, I fuck up, una still deal with her. Not be some people where you had on that fake account, they comment section, they insult. All these people will never learn. Some go spend 50 years for abroad, they not go for, they not move anywhere. So that's life. And life is not all about you build 5 flats or you achieve. Waiting you live for your children, the legacy too, it matters a lot. So that one can't be number one, reputation. Then the second one, I can't there for this Mama Blue, Mama Sonia, where they Italy. Mama Sonia, I can't they come my platform, carry visit, you can't they gift me. Because that time, believe say, TikTok, maybe the day where Mama Joyce not open. People will see they visit the platform, feel still open platform. She still feel like, may she go hang around. Now be TikTok that time, then they can't turn out to something else. Based on say Mama Sonia go come my platform, she know they climb up. Because she know one day for boss, so that in gang, they not gonna know say she did my platform, but she will come give, I'll say, I'm gonna follow this mama, I'll they go a platform and they stay. That time, I never really understand TikTok that time. I don't know, say, they get gang, they get group, they get so many things. Then later, if I can't there, Bobby Love will just show. If it show, topic will just they get us, so they get this nice conversation, they talk, though just change it matter.
No, I know they agree.
Though just switch on to single mother or the way you turn out to
their say no be they talk about. You see this.
You understand the way you turn out to their own favor to their own favorability. The thing can they go small. And I can see notice say that Mama Sonia, people where they come my platform where be say me come they say me they follow her. If it be say they come there for my side, based on say if I see going platform, they'll see come. You understand? Later, if you can't see person for platform, you get one day, if they can't get one case where I can't get problem with Mama Sonia Blue. Then now two things that happen between me and that Mama Sonia Blue. First
this one is 50 euro, different color. Are they hear you?
First one can't be Bobby. When I hear matter, I did my platform. I not go lie, but I don't almost want close my platform. Where they can't tell me say, person can't call me say, Mommy Queen, that Bobby Love in story don't come at all. Now single mother of 5. For Benjamin, I put on for house. The lady they get problem with the family. Woman we never marry. Bobby go they tell her say me not talk to him family all those kind of things. So they talk the matter. Now me can't go Mama Sonia. Now I send request Mama Sonia carry me come up. Saga come full everywhere because now person way don't cost me single mother. Now say so now single mother now he put you for house. You they call single mother. You understand? Now therefore you know say some woman you see they because of Bola. That one can be that one. And today, in with that one, not day again. That one a story for the ghost. Then part 2, where be say I can't see get issue with that Mama Sonia. Then he can't see get another time again. If he be say people come my platform, she go the verse. I can't see some kind jealousy spirits like people where my own people where I tell them they follow you. If you see them for my platform, you will come the verse for them. Like that. To the extent, you can't get one woman where be say that woman na in person where they call her mommy. Now I make mama boys in video they want corner because I they get my file, my note what they list. If I want analyze
video. I
video.
know they use fake accounts right now. They bring yourself come out. I don't know why you they fake account they cost your mama and your papa for you.
Mama, your sleep. Not they read negative comment. They go cry.
Mama,
Tire.
before they use fake account come. Now so they do.
He go cry. Make he go cry. He go cry.
Never even start. I don't bring out everything.
Wife.
My introduction, leave people marriage alone. Now I can't tell you today. I never
May
start.
go cry. Mama, you fire down. So from there, now this woman, they go down Mama Blue platform. So people now go they listen to this thing. If somebody where people call you godmother, they take you as a mother. Some people, the reason where their platform don't fall, people where they get 1,000K view, now it be their minimum wage of viewers. They get 10 view, 15 view. You understand? Because you know why? People where call you mommy, like mommy boy, sonny, it dey one place. Because all the people where be say they call her mother, they cause people, they saga people. You know what that woman they do? All the WhatsApp call where they call her, like they will confide in her, share their problem. This woman will gather now for WhatsApp. You can't they plan till they do video, make they give you. It's a good role model or a wife, a mother supposed to get that kind of attitude. It can't get one day at the operate my platform. One woman, they can't get case. I don't even know what they happen for their platform. It be like said the woman relationship can't get issues. So it can't reach her doorstep. At least for the sake of person way they call you mommy, if they look up to you, you not go bring that issue come public.
Yeah, you go have.
So I take build my platform. That's why me, Queen, I not get any partner for this TikTok. I'm on my own. As I come here, you say I'm not welcome. Wetin I talk is not acceptable. I go down. Then that woman, he not let he can't they judge against the woman. A mature woman can't they cry like this. They cry out of anger. Now I go that woman DM. Now I tell her say, "Una be disgrace for this Europe." If this woman now say maybe he no want judge this matter, with right up say he no want give you fair justice, are you not going to leave there? Be they bury your placenta for that place.
Yeah.
Then the woman come my platform. As he come, the next thing, I just see somebody just send request. Tore, a mama, if a mama wa beg away, mana, he no go take her likely.
They say the view don't they go down. They say the view don't they go down. They want to enjoy this husband snatcher case. So maybe you they.
No, now the picture where you come out, if I want go down, if you go down.
No talk. I want to do advert.
Now, if you they talk about husband snatcher, you have to put the picture so that people go know. Because as far as say you they demonstrate your business, you know if you do business with analysis together, you know they go that way. You understand? So anybody way if you put the picture, people go know. Because as far as say you they do it, some people are not here because of it. Some people are here for Kungusa. And if I stop talking, we are not talking. They go. You understand? Wetin they talk? It relate to wetin we they talk about. I'm not diverting from waiting we talk about. You understand? I am talking about as a person. If you want, when your platform make it stand, you they talk about view, mama. If you not talk anything about this woman, you not put picture, your view will definitely go down for your normal view where they get. So that one now, no, may you forget that.
No, they talk.